Good morning. We weren't planning on another big climb hike, but it looks like the weather's gonna be bad for the next couple of days. So we thought we'd do it today when the weather's gonna be good. So we're going up Castle Mountain Lookout Trail today. This is going to be about almost just under 2,000 feet of climb, a little under 5 miles. It's not super steep, but steep enough. We're gonna feel it. Got trekking poles today. Got 2 liters of water. I forgot my sunglasses, so I'm gonna have to go back in here and get them, but we are off. So many of the trails, we start right next to the highway or the train tracks, and it's just noisy from the beginning for a while. But this one is right off 1A, which is not the main highway. And there aren't that many cars that go through there, and it's actually quiet as soon as we start. It's quite nice. It's cool, quiet, feels wild because there's not as much noise here. So probably better chances of wildlife. Earlier today, we were just driving and we saw a black bear on the side of the road. That's our first bear. Unfortunately, while we're going like 80 kilometers an hour, so not the best view of it, but it did lift its head up and kind of looked at us as we drove by, so kind of got a good look at it. Hopefully we get a better sighting today. The parking lot did have 5 other cars there, so there's gonna be a bunch of people up here. Hopefully they didn't scare away all the animals.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new,
got to the parking lot, and oh, 1% battery. Is it gonna last? There are 20 cars on just this left side alone, and I was guessing there'd be 15 here. So there's probably over 30, probably over 40 cars in this lot. It's crazy. Come early if you're gonna come up here to the castle viewpoint. We are, of course, back at camp. I like to stand on this side of the car because the other side is so noisy. It's nice having the white water noise of a creek, but that's pretty noisy. But that's it for today, folks. Y'all have a good night. We're gonna stay here just one more last night here at Kicking Horse Campground. It's a really nice campground. The showers are pretty new. It's nice big stalls. There's a bunch of showers, hot water, lights. Bathrooms are nice, all flushing. Well, not all flushing. The main one is flushing. And all around views, like you see mountains all over, glaciers from the campground. How many campgrounds can you see glaciers from, you know? But alright, thanks for watching. Y'all take care, and that's it for Castle Mountain Lookout. You have a good day. Bye.